Richie Sambora net worth 2024. Who is Richie Sambora? Richard Stephen Sambora is an American musician, singer, songwriter, and producer. Best known as the lead guitarist of the rock band Bon Jovi from 1983 to 2013. Richie Sambora career. Richard Stephen Sambora was born on July 11, 1959 in Perth Amboy, New Jersey. Sambora is 64 years old. He grew up in Woodbridge Township, New Jersey, and graduated from Woodbridge High School in 1977. He played basketball in high school. His sophomore team won the 1975 Group 4 state title. Sambora's first instrument was the accordion, which he began to play at the age of 6. He began playing the guitar at the age of 12. He was also influenced by Spanish classical music and began a lifelong love of the Spanish guitar. He has also stated that psychedelic soul singer Janis Joplin had a big influence on his musical style during her career in the late 1960s and early 1970s. Classical music directly inspired several of his songs, such as The Answer, which was originally written on piano. Sambora also plays many other instruments such as drum, bass, saxophone, and piano. The first time he performed on stage was at a Catholic youth organization dance when he was a teenager. He and lead singer John Bon Jovi formed the main songwriting unit for the band. He has also released 3 solo albums: Stranger in This Town in 1991, Undiscovered Soul in 1998, and Aftermath of the Lowdown released in September 2012. Sambora was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame as a member of Bon Jovi and reunited with his former bandmates for a performance at the induction ceremony. That year, he formed the duo RSO alongside Ori Anthi. After 2 EPs, the pair released their debut album Radio Free America in May. Richie Sambora personal life. Richie Sambora married actress Heather Locklear in Paris on December 17, 1994. Their daughter Eva Elizabeth Sambora was born on October 4, 1997. Locklear filed for divorce in February 2006, citing irreconcilable differences. The divorce was finalized on April 11, 2007. On April 20, 2007, Sambora's father Adam died of lung cancer. Richie Sambora net worth 2024. According to online sources, Richie Sambora net worth is estimated to be $150 million.
Thanks for watching this video. I request to you do like, share and subscribe.